Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about the civil disobedience movement. My dear student, the civil disobedience movement was one of the most significant movements launched by Mahatma Gandhi. What do you mean by the civil disobedience movement? Means that refusal to obey the demands or commands of a government without resorting of violence. My dear students, what do you mean by the civil disobedience? Disobey means not to obey the rules or regulations of British government. Under this movement, people were asked not only to refuse cooperation with the British, but also to break the colonial law. As I told you that in Lahore session 1929, the Congress party was decided to start the civil disobedience movement. So they choose the salt. As you know, salt is the basic requirement for every person. And it was illegal for everyone to make salt as it was a government monopoly. British government monopoly means government passed a law banning manufacturing of salt by Indians so that the British could sell salt at high rates. So dear student, on March 12, 1930, Mahatma Gandhi began his epic Dandi march from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi. That is how the march came to be known as Dandi March. He was accompanied by 78 supporters, joined by 78 supporters. They made salt from sea water and broke the law. Salt Satyagraha was an open challenge to the British, and the civil disobedience spread all over the country. It became the second mass movement. So my dear student, which was the first mass movement started by the Gandhiji? Non-cooperation movement. The non-cooperation movement was the first mass movement, and the second mass movement was civil disobedience movement. Why it became the second mass movement? As school, colleges, courts were boycotted. These were the methods basically used by the people under the civil disobedience movement. School, colleges and court were boycotted. Foreign goods were burnt. Peasants refused to pay taxes, and shops selling foreign goods were picketed. This movement was led by Abdul Ghaffar Khan in Northwest Frontier Province. He was popularly known as Frontier Gandhi. Who was popularly known as Frontier Gandhi? The Abdul Ghaffar Khan. The British government tried to repress the movement and resorted to violence. Thousands of protesters were arrested along with Gandhiji and Jawaharlal Nehru. So ultimately, the civil disobedience movement, which was later withdrawn in 1934. So civil disobedience movement was started in 1934 and withdrawn in civil disobedience movement was started in 1930 and withdrawn in 1934. Thank you and have a nice day.